haters will say it doesn't work. I'm convinced that if you put a base sunscreen of SPF 30 on and then SPF 90 on all the spots that you would put highlighter on, the sun will contour your face where you'd put bronzer and you will be naturally snatched.
That's interesting.
Check this out. You could put high SPF everywhere on your face and prevent it from aging prematurely, keep your skin healthy, non-sunburn, and then you could put makeup and make yourself as beautiful and highlighter and shaped and snatched as you wish to be.
So that's real? Oh, that's interesting. I never thought of that. I have seen where people use fake self-tanner and they put it in the areas they want to contour and not on the rest of their face, like just to tan those contoured areas. But sunscreen, I don't know. I feel like I can't do this because I'm one of those people, I frolic in the water. I'm out there with floaties. I want to play in the water. I want to splash around. Like that would just get all smeared together anyway, you know?
If you want someone to form an attachment with you, ladies, the playing hard to get game is not effective. It doesn't work. It's trash, okay? He's literally just gonna go text someone else. So instead, be super engaging. Text him back. Answer his calls. Text him good morning, like whatever it is, okay? And make him feel like he has a fucking girlfriend for all I care. And then just dip, okay? Stop replying on everything. Now you have the control, okay? Your next move should be like a couple days later. Maybe a day or two. And just text him and be like, what's up? Like, what's up, babe? Like, whatever. Like, pick it back up like nothing happened, okay? And keep the cycle going. It drives people insane, okay? It is awful. I see men use this all the time on girls. You guys, this works.
No. That does not work. You know what that gets you? A toxic relationship. That's what that does, because all you're doing is playing all these little mind games and all this childish behavior. No, absolutely not. Red flag right from the start. That would be a red flag if that happened.
And we're just like grab them like they do on TV and they like pull it straight out. Oh my god, that hurts.
No. Bad idea. I just knew it.
That's a really big.
It really is, girl. Yeah, no. Maybe try things before doing like a tutorial, you know, trying to give advice to people. But hey, in the end, she showed us what not to do. It's too risky because there's no, how the heck do you get those out now? Oh no, that would hurt so bad. Waxing your nose, oh my God, that would hurt. I can't even imagine.
How to make someone obsessed with you. Okay, listen. What I'm about to share is very manipulative, and I don't recommend you use it on just anyone. But if you want to know how, then watch till the end. A lot of people think that if you want someone to be obsessed, you need to play hard to get or ignore them, and that is false. What you actually need to do is send mixed signals.
Oh my God, y'all,
whenever someone has sent you mixed signals, that's when you've started to psychoanalyze and figure out what went wrong, and that is when you get hooked. So how do you send mixed signals? Easy. You're gonna create pleasure and pain. Give them hope, let them get comfortable. Almost like they're in an ocean with unlimited supplies of water. Next up, pain. You're gonna take them from that ocean and drop them in the desert. Okay, no more water supply. In other words, no contact.
This is crazy.
That's when they're gonna get confused, and that's when they're gonna worry that they lost you. The less certain they are, the more obsessed they'll become.
Oh my God. I'm just hoping that some of these are a joke and I'm just missing the mark here, because if y'all are out here on TikTok preaching this and young girls and boys are listening to this, it's no wonder that everyone has toxic relationships these days and everyone's out cheating on each other in the younger generation. Oh, I'm so happy to not be dating in that generation.
Oh my God, I heard your mom's super sick. COVID, right? Has she tried realigning her chakras? Because I heard she did, and she still got sick. And she's sure she got them all lined up, right? Okay, well, has she tried a giant dream catcher? Because I heard that they ward off all the dirt. She got 4. And she's still, yeah. Okay, has she tried crystals? Because, and she's on a ventilator now?
See, this is what I'm talking about. The comedy's there. I get the message. It's funny. People saying, you know, dream catcher, chakras, crystals will get rid of COVID-19. I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself because there's a lot of people who believe in that. But no, just no.
Butter, raccoon.
Don't go together?
Get that thing in there.
No.
Dip it.
Oh! Not only is that really not tasty,
Gross.
the saturated fat inside there, that's terrible.
That's disgusting, dude. Oh, listen, I love butter. I will cake on some butter on things, but I'm not about to do that. That's a different level. That in ragu, oh! Gross, no, the fat in that, not even worth it. It's worth it if the butter's on a good meal. No, that's disgusting. You know what though? I used to, you know the cream cheese blocks? I eat those like that. Like straight up, block it up and just bite it. It's unbelievable.
3 reasons you shouldn't text him first. Number 1, it's desperate and you know it.
Oh
Because
my
let's face
God,
it,
just text
the
them.
only reason you're even thinking of texting him is because he's not texting you. And now you're worried that you're not gonna hear from him. Which brings me to reason number 2. Act on that desperation, he is subconsciously gonna see that you are prioritizing him, which in turn is gonna make him think of you as an option. And whenever that happens, men pull away. Which brings me to reason number 3. Let's say you do text him. What are you realistically gonna say? Hey, how's your week going? Okay, I mean, you could. But ultimately, the point of texting is to meet up.
Just
so unless you
text them.
actually plan on asking this guy out, which you know you shouldn't have to do, then there's no point. If he texted you before, he's more than capable of texting you again. And anyone who says, it's 2021, you can text him
yes.
first, is either a beta male, a boy, or in a relationship where they settled.
That's nice. That's really nice. Oh man. I don't think this girl and I would be friends. I got a problem with everything she is. I think it's, like I said, I'm just from an older generation. I don't know, man. I think you're completely crazy. I texted first, I slid in DMs first. I don't know, girl, you're tripping. You're giving out false information. I think this is just from her personal trauma. Clearly she's been in toxic relationships, so she's trying to figure out what not to do. It's clearly didn't work. It's not gonna work.
So this is a foolproof way to get hot. It doesn't matter
How to
who you
get
are, what your
hot?
values are, what you
okay.
look like. You're gonna want to catapult yourself into a relationship with the first emotionally unavailable, mommy/daddy issues vibes, medium ugly mother you can fucking find. Obviously, bonus points if they have problems with addiction. Literally just
She's kidding.
let that relationship run its course, and you will get spat right the fuck out, and you will have no choice but to focus on yourself and like love yourself like they never could, and like just be f***ing hot.
I can't.
Obviously, that's like, what other advice can I give you?
Okay, I'm picking up sarcasm vibes here. I think, man, if people are really listening to this advice, I think she's really just like, she's saying what she went through. You know, she went through this relationship, it ran its course, and then she focused on herself and now she's hot. Please don't find an ugly substance dealer and date them and all the stuff she said. Oh no, TikTok. Some people are just out here ruining lives.
This is for women dating or seeing, exclusive with, whatever, toxic men, okay?
Oh, good.
You are seeing other girls in his phone, whatever it is, like he's being red flags are popping up. You can do it the healthy way. You can talk things out and probably try to get rid of him, but let's be honest, girls never actually do that. So here's your second option instead of continuing to get manipulated. 3 words, 1 little motto.
Okay.
Cheat just in case.
No!
Wow, that sounds so bad. Hear me out really fast. Let's think about this in perspective, okay? In about a couple months,
Chris,
you're
stop
gonna
the
realize,
video.
yep, he was in fact cheating.
I can't cheat just in case. Oh, Lord, I can't. I am hoping so bad that if I went on these girls' TikToks, like this is just a funny comedy skit that they do, because if that is seriously what people are out here doing, it's no wonder that no relationships work out anymore, no marriages work out anymore. Cheat just in case. That is the motto you're trying to push on people?
Hair off of your face. Gentlemen, it is all about showing your forehead. It is also about angularity and creating the illusion that you have more structure. If you are rocking a soft hairstyle or something with bangs and you're covering your forehead, guys, this is actually making your face look...
Oh my God, okay. Whoa, all right, yes, okay, so his advice, maybe it works for some people. Maybe though, it doesn't work for everyone. Advice in general might work for some people, not others. This is a prime example. No offense to this young gentleman, but I think his hair was fine the way it was. All right, guys, that is some advice. Please don't take any of this advice. Really, no. I'm out of here though. I will see you guys in a future video. Bye. At least we can enjoy it. Enjoy the sunshine. Yeah.